Hey everyone, welcome back, and you're at your girl Concrete Mermaid's channel, and today I decided to show you guys my everyday basic makeup look. So this is a look you can wear to work. If you go to school, you can wear this to school. It doesn't take too long. You just really need the basics of it, and I'm gonna go through everything. I'm gonna leave the description below of what I'm using, but I'm not gonna ramble on. Let's get right into it. So first, you obviously want to make sure your face is nice and moisturized. I already went ahead and moisturized my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of primer on. I'm using it. I'll show it to you, and everything. I'll leave everything in the description, but this is like my favorite primer. And then you're just gonna put this on all over. I literally have no makeup on my face. Like, I look crazy. No, I'm just kidding. First, what I like to do is I always start with my eyebrows, and you want to grab your spool. This spool is atrocious. I have so many spools. Yeah, so this is what happens when I leave my spool in the drawer. You see that? So just brush your hairs up. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite brow pen from Anastasia. It's brand new. I had to re-up. And I'm gonna get close for you guys. I do this every single day. You don't have to include this into your routine, but I feel like if my brows are not done, my makeup is not done. So my brows have to be done. Like, my brows complete my makeup look. Okay, so what you're pretty much gonna do, I literally do this every single day before I go to work, but you're gonna obviously follow your hair strokes. This takes me like no time to do. However, if you're not comfortable with doing this yet, you do not have to. But you could tell it's brand new. Usually I get nothing out of this. So I'm gonna go a little bit of lighter on this side, because when you're heavy hand, it looks like that. Yeah, I was a little heavy-handed with this side, so I'm just gonna just go like this. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia. Obviously, I love Anastasia. I'm gonna go with my Anastasia clear brow gel. And push up. Each side. If you feel like it's too dark, you could always just pat. Like right now, I put too much there, so I'm just gonna do that. And that usually does the trick for me. You don't want to go like this. You just pat. I did wipe some of the product off, so I'm just gonna go back in because it was just too much. There we go. All right, and the same for the other side. There we go. Okay, so brows are on. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty concealer. You can use any concealer. There's another concealer that I really like. It's like $2.99, and it's this one. You can get this at any beauty supply store, any Ulta. It's called LA Pro Concealer, which I usually like to use a Fenty on my eyebrows, and this is a Fenty bottle. And I just go in with a little bit with my concealer brush. Where is my concealer brush? All right. This brush, I got this from Ulta, and it's an e.l.f. brush, which is probably only gonna be like I don't know, I have to guesstimate, you're gonna spend under $10 for this brush. And I usually just go in and get a little bit of the concealer on the brush. I literally just get a little bit, not too much. I don't know if you can see that. And then I go in and line my brows. And I just blend that in. You're gonna follow the line on your brows. So see that line? You're just gonna follow that line, go around, and make sure you really wanna blend that in. You don't want like a sharp line underneath your brows. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this on there, just a tad bit. There we go. I'm gonna do this for this side too. Sorry, I'm trying to do it in the camera and then like also the mirror, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. You want to make sure that's blended in. All right, brows are done. There we go. And I'm gonna go in with the foundation. I got this brush from Ulta. I probably paid $30 for this brush. It works amazing. Next up is concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty concealer right here, right here. A little goes a long way, so you don't need to do too much. And I like to go around here. There we go. Okay, get your blending brush, your blending tool. I have this small one. I'm gonna go in, get close. I actually have to run out. I'm running out to do some errands. So I didn't want to do too much, but I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you what I do when I'm like, I don't feel like doing too much, but I just want to still have something on. This is kind of like what I do for work too. Like, this is like my everyday work look. with my Anastasia palette. Everything is Anastasia. I didn't just realize how much I love her products. All right, so I am just a little bit of contour. This is optional. I like to do this just to add a little bit of structure to my cheeks. Nothing crazy. This brush is a Real Techniques brush. I got this from Ulta as well. And then you just really want to blend that in. This is Lash. You can get this off Amazon, and I believe you can also get this on Ulta. Into my eyelashes. So like when this happens, you see that? I always have to have a Q-tip on standby. So I can go like this and wipe it up, because that happens like all the time. I really like this mascara. It makes my eyelashes so long. I saw a lot of reviews on this one. That's why, a lot of good reviews. And that's one of the reasons why I bought this mascara. And with lashes, I like to do like one by one. So like when I'm going in, see, I use the tip. I use the full brush, but I also go in with the tip and try to get each lash. And then you see how I have like product here. I'll just go in and wipe that off. This is never optional. I always have to do my bottom lashes. Never optional. I'll show you the difference. Now look at this. Do you see this eye? And do you see this eye? Tell me that's not a big difference. Come on, you have to do your bottom lashes. I don't play. Like, if I don't do my bottom lashes, my makeup is incomplete. I have to do my bottom lashes, and this is for an everyday look. Every day. And it doesn't take any time. Bottom lashes, I just use the tip of the brush, and I just go in individually for each lash. Okay. Bottom lashes are done. All right, so we're pretty much at the end of our video. I'm gonna go in with some, I'm not even putting lipstick on. I'm gonna go in with some aloe vera lipstick. Well, it's not really lipstick. It's supposed to change the tint of your lips, the color. So like, it's not lipstick, see this? Well, I actually had lipstick on here from like the mixture, but if you put this on, this goes on clear, look. I'll show you. See that? See how you see like nothing? It's just clear. And then I go in with my lip gloss. And some setting spray.
This is the finished look.
dry. If you're someone that likes to add powder, you could go in with a little bit of powder and just tap underneath. I would do this step before the mascara. I wasn't gonna add any, but I feel like my face needed a little bit of powder. And the powder that I'm using is Morphe. It's a Morphe powder. And this is kind of just like a setting powder. Let it sit and brush it off. That's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.